YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel, Craig Cloud IT Pro. In this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft's Cloud Native Application Protection Platform, what it does. So grab your coffee, grab your whiskey, because you know this one's going to get pretty damn juicy. If you can, please drop a comment and a like down below. It helps support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love you. Welcome to another installment of Craig Cloud IT Pro. In this video, I'm going to talk about cloud-native application protection platforms. Now, you've probably already seen the blog and the hype going around with the next wave of multi-cloud in security with Microsoft Defender for Cloud, branded as cnapp. But what does it mean? Why does it matter? Why do we care? What's the capabilities? Well, here, I'm going to talk about how we can easily integrate this and show you why this is going to be absolutely beneficial for your business. Now, cnapps are the leading edge of cloud security. So a cnapp unifies security and compliance capabilities to prevent, detect, and respond to modern cloud security threats from development to runtime. So organizations worry about vulnerabilities in code getting deployed, critical misconfigurations, overprivileged access to cloud infrastructure, and evolving threats that can cause sensitive data loss. Unfortunately, most reported security incidents involve bad actors when exploiting vulnerabilities that security teams aren't even aware of. So, with digital transformation in the face of macroeconomic pressures, strategies to optimize both cloud environments and cloud security are increasingly appealing to enterprise. And ultimately, the end solution offers a comprehensive cloud security from develop to runtime, and this is based on the Cloud Native Application Protection Platform. I'm going to call it cnapp just for easier. So, what is cnapp? So, cnapp delivers a unified experience for organizations that synthesizes insights and drives effective collaboration among developers, DevOps teams, security operations center analysts to reduce those excessive risks for cloud-native applications and to embed security across the continuous integration and continuous delivery of a CI/CD pipeline lifecycle. So, why do organizations need a cloud-native application protection platform for modern security? Now, I did say previously I would call this cnapp to make things easier, because if I keep saying that, this video will be at least 40 minutes long. So we're going to address this as cnapp. A cnapp directly addresses the critical challenges faced by cloud security teams as they aim to strengthen their security posture, detect and respond to threats, and prevent critical data breaches. So development and security teams, they need to be empowered to collaborate, to embed security into code itself, so that cloud native applications can start secure and stay secure ultimately. So the dynamic nature of cloud native applications creates flexibility, but also blind spots for posture management. So multi-cloud and hybrid scenarios add to the complexity, making a centralized prioritized view with contextual security insights, recommendation fatigue, and helping security teams to help focus on what matters. So the evolving threat landscape worsens and the threat response becomes more of a challenge, resulting in SOC analysts and security admin teams being overwhelmed by the mounting threat of different multiple signals. So security admins also worry about overprivileged access to infrastructure, which can leave room for exploitation and infiltration. So cnapp capabilities are huge. There's so much it covers, and over here I'm going to cover five topics, that cnapp actually covers. So security teams need an end-to-end platform for cloud security. This means security integration into DevOps, visibility across their multiple cloud environments, a prioritized view of their most critical vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. We want built-in governance, automated remediation tools, and an easier way for you to detect and respond to modern threats across multi-cloud. So to achieve this, an effective cnapp should combine capabilities across cloud security posture management, DevOps security, cloud workload protection, and cloud infrastructure enablement management and network security. So first on the list if you've probably already heard of this, if you have Defender for Cloud, is Cloud Security Posture Management. So CSPM solutions provide visibility across multi-cloud and hybrid environments from development to runtime, provide alerts and recommendations to security issues and on critical vulnerabilities, misconfigurations that could potentially leave thousands of dollars or thousands of pounds in issues here. And you want to have a built-in workflow to strengthen that security posture and help drive remediation. So Microsoft Defender for Cloud Security Posture Management helps cut through the noise and helps focus on remediating your most critical risk and integrated insights across SOC, DevOps, external attack surface reduction, and along with identity access management and compliance. It also has a single connected view in the cloud security graph, which has an attack path to help analyze and help security teams identify exploit paths which are built in to mitigate across multi-cloud as well. Next on the bad boy is cloud workload protection platforms. It's been a long day. I do apologize. So these solutions are comprehensive services that provide real-time detection and responses to modern threats across your cloud workloads, including virtual machines, containers, Kubernetes, databases, storage accounts, network layers, app services, etc. So cloud workload protection in Defender for Cloud analyzes those workloads using advanced analytics and threat intelligence to help reduce the attack surface and respond to those threats immediately. So the integrated experience with M365 and Sentinel enables a huge comprehensive detection and response solution for a modern security operations center. Next, you have DevOps security. So Microsoft Defender for DevOps is Defender for Cloud, empowering security teams to unify, strengthen, and manage multi-pipeline DevOps security. So shift security left and enable the code to cloud protections in a centralized console. So this solution helps security teams rightfully focus on critical evolving threats by enabling security of infrastructure as a code templates and container images to minimize cloud misconfigurations, reaching production environments, and correlate potential cloud security intelligence from runtime to dev platforms to prioritize remediation in code. Then you have cloud infrastructure enablement management. Entitlement management. I am so sorry I read that wrong. Now, some people call this SIEM. Now, you obviously have SIEM as well, which is Sentinel. I prefer to say the entire word out because it can be very misleading. So, cloud infrastructure entitlement management gives permissions and identities the ability to perform an action on a resource. So, across major clouds, you may have 40,000 permissions that could be granted, but 50 of those may be high risk, meaning that some of those accounts can cause disruption, service degradation, or data leakage when improperly used. So to help a viable multi-cloud strategy and avoid accidental or malicious permission misuse, streamlined permission management is essential. So Microsoft Entra Permissions helps you understand the real footprint of your cloud entitlement, preventing permissions creep, and enforce the principle of least privileges across your multi-cloud environment. So Defender for Cloud integrates with permissions management, enables security teams to get that unified visibility and recommendations in a central cloud dashboard. And last, to fit the whole puzzle in, is network security. Now this provides your cloud security infrastructure and applications from a distributed denial of a service or DDoS attack, web application and network attacks. So Azure Network Security offers the full benefits of a cloud-native service by securing your cloud and hybrid network infrastructure and applications based on Zero Trust Network Security. Azure Network Security is also designed to provide organizations with granular segmentation controls, intelligent threat protection by Microsoft Threat Intelligence, and traffic encryption and in-transit and in-rest. You also have the ability to have private access links for infrastructure as a service applications, platform as a service applications, and on-premise. So Defender for Cloud continuously analyzes the security state of Azure resources for network security best practices. The security teams can adapt adaptively recommendations for security network hardening in a central place and use the end-to-end view to improve security posture across network infrastructure and applications. So all of this as a whole, this is so comprehensive, and right now you can see on screen how the cloud native application platform all works together in this lovely little diagram. And CNAPP really is so seamless in combining security and compliance capabilities into a single platform. And not only that, it stacks across Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud and Azure Cloud Services. So security admins no longer need to manually synthesize data or tools or multiple products. Instead, they can proactively address security threats across their multi-cloud and hybrid environment in a single platform. So all of this is managed in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Organizations get centralized visibility and integrated insights across network security, permission management, Microsoft 365 for detection and response, Microsoft Sentinel for security information and event management, and further for Microsoft Defender for Cloud as well, you also have the external attack surface management, which enables true identification of internet exposed resources, augmenting signals from configurations and cloud APIs. Defender for Cloud is designed with scale and insights gained from running Microsoft Azure, one of the leading public cloud platforms in the industry. Microsoft is the only public cloud provider to enable CNAPP solution natively in the cloud portal, helping security teams simplify security management in Azure and extend it to other clouds. So Microsoft is investing a lot of time and resources and money into developing a full native cloud security application platform. I hope you're excited about this, as I am, and I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, well, that's just fine. Please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your nan. Cheers.